All right, I'm gonna bring some LED lights and I want to show you some of them. All right, you get a set of 10. All right, and they're not glass, they're actually silicone in there, see-through, and then you could clearly see it. You could clearly see which one is plus and which is minus. All right, so you got a plus here, then you got minus. So if you're ever going to solder something in here, this is a 12 volts. All right, so just make sure that you're aware, that you know which one side is which. You could see through the whole entire thing. You could see all the digital stuff in here that takes to actually power these up. We are going to plug them in and we are going to solder some pieces in here. So let's go ahead and do that. Got that one there. There you go. So we're gonna go plug this in and we're gonna see how bright it is. All right, if you guys can see, look at the LED light. Nice and powerful light. Right now we have it dimmed down. We don't have it on all the way, but we're gonna turn it up right now. All right, the LED is really powerful, if you guys can see that. Really bright, and you can see it from far away right now. I'm actually setting up my system where I can control the LED light, and if you see it, look at that. Different dimming. I could dim it down from here and control it, which I like. Let me reset it too. Yeah, turn it on. Turn it on. It's doing like a mold right now. You guys can see that. So if you're looking for LED replacements, this is it. I'm just demoing how strong it is. I hope you guys enjoy the video.